How to create explainer video on Canva PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create explainer video on Canva PC easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Go to the top corner and click on create a design. Now click on the video option. After it take you to this page, go right here and scroll down like this until you find explainer video. Click on see all, and here you go. Now you have many options. Choose the one that you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, and click again. Now choose anything you want to edit from here easily and fast. After you finish, go here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.